Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of our summer holiday yarn craft series. Today we're going to be painting with yarn. So we've got our trusty yarn scraps, we've got some poster paint or school paint, whatever you want to call it, just normal kids paint. I put it into a little tray and we've got some paper. We're all protected, aren't we? Got our apron on and our cloth down so that we don't get paint on. Not mummy, no, that's a bit silly, isn't it? We're also going to need some scissors, so I'll just grab those to cut our yarn. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get a piece of yarn, however long you like, and you're going to dip it in the paint.
Mummy, I don't want to use that one.
Oh, well, I'll use this one and just to show you. So you dip it in the paint, and then you're going to use it to paint, and it makes really cool marks. So you can do it like that, or you can get a piece of crocheted material like this, and this is cool. You dip it in,
Mummy,
and then you can make
don't do too much because I want to destroy the paint.
Then you can do a print, and it makes a cool mark, like a sponge. Do you want to have a go with that one? I've also got some thicker t-shirt yarn which will make a thicker pattern, and if you don't really want to get your fingers very messy, what you can do is you can get a bunch of yarn like this, and then you can tie it around your paintbrush and use it like that. So I'm just going to cut off some strips here to do that with. Like this, and fold it up a few times like that, and then I get another bit of yarn here and we'll tie it around our paintbrush.
Mummy, now I'm going
like that, so then you can paint with that.
Mummy, now can we have the proper bit?
Proper bit of what?
Making it.
Yeah, go on then, you can start. Go on then.
You can do it any colour, right?
Yeah, any colour you like. It's your picture, darling. I'll show you what the paintbrush one looks like, shall we?
Wow!
That's so fun, isn't it?
Yeah. So, should I use the definite one?
Yeah.
I think I Mummy!
Yeah.
Come, look there. It's turned green.
Oh yeah, it makes the colours together. That's very cool. Oh, do you want to make a card now with it?
Yeah.
So we've got this card.
That's for Daddy. It's birthday rights.
Put it down there.
And I have to do it like that, okay?
Yeah.
Somehow like that.
That's cool.
So, a bit like that. We can also the end. Press down and that. like that hand. It makes cool marks around your red.
So there we go, a super easy craft to do with the kids. Great fun, lots of different marks to make, pretty patterns and textures. We made it into a card, didn't we? And a lovely picture. So have a go and see how yours comes out. It's really good fun. I hope you try it. Let me know how you get on.